the cutest statin declares, my Finch is long, even by medieval standards.
What is your Fimsh? Your Fimsh is long. What the hell? How are all doing? Thank you for watching me. Yo, how do we go live? How do we stream? Thank you for the head pat. Gunny, hello.
I'm not done. Only chat is done.
Hello, Gunny. Hello. I don't remember. Well, I kind of remember what we were doing yesterday. Well, I don't. But also, I forgot. I wanted to put my jumper thing on. Wait, what was that?
Dundorf TV says Day Finch.
Day 58, right, it is. The AC thing was so short, it was like the tiniest squeak. I thought my audio bugged out. I was like, yo, what was that? It was also kind of quiet. I don't know why the AC thing got quiet. You think you were feeding the Finch? Wait, didn't I just say that? Day 58. Or is Day 58, right? The Tag. Well, it wouldn't be Day of the Tag. Yeah, let me put my jumper on. Oh. Fimpy. You don't you hate it when you put your jumper on and you just can't find your armhole? Finding your armhole is sometimes the hardest thing. Yeah, that moment though, when you're putting it on, and instead of like not being able to find the armhole is the only hole you find, and so like when you first put it on and you put your head through or attempt to, you're like, oh shit, this is the armhole, not the head hole. and then you reposition and try again, you get the other armhole and you're fuck. Oh no, not like this. I'll be trapped forever. Hello, Sarah. Yo, I'm so keen for Enfield. You have no idea. The addiction is big. Yo, I built the batteries in the Wuling. That was tight. Let's just go with that was tight. Oh man, I learned all about the little timer you have for overusing electricity above your grid limit, and my god, I was like, it was so close to failing, but it's up and running now. It's a very delicate system. It's very cool. I'm keen to make some purple discs today, because I want better gear, but I need a lot of money to expand my AIC areas and then also build the gear once I have the purple things. Yeah, both Wuling and number 4, Valley 4, they're set for batteries for like self-sustaining. Well, not self-sustaining. Well, yeah, self-sustaining. Although I don't know if I need to. The Wuling one I have I have one whole production line fully optimized for the thing that makes the batteries, and so I get one every, is it one every 40 seconds? No, I get 4 every 40 seconds, and so I have plenty of power in Valley 4, and then I think currently my battery situation in Wuling is kind of scuffed because I only have 2 out of the 4 because I don't have enough Zyrite production right now. Do I know about the secret recipe? I don't even know what the green material is. But also, like, maybe I don't want to know. Maybe I'll find it out, question mark. I don't think it's that complicated to make, right? Because what you need carbon cubes, the hexagons, and then water to make Zyrite. I don't know if I want to know. It feels like it could be spoilers. Bestagons, yeah. Bestagons indeed. Yeah, I was trying to make. I made in Wu Ling. I might not have enough room in in Valley 4 because I made the 6-pack of healing things yesterday. Also unoptimized. It's not like maximum output, which is sad. But I think I'm just running out of space everywhere, and that's not boding well for purple discs. It is not good. Yeah, I think I will, unless I get fed up. But also, no, I'll wait. I'll wait until I find it or run into it. Maybe I'm already doing it. Who knows? Hello, Pierre. Welcome in. What? Another head pat? Yeah, there's a backwards angry Fimsh. Bye bye, Fimshy. Yeah, I really don't want to program today. I just want to play Enfield. Yeah, Rust is winning. Thank you for the meow meow. Thank you. Coleman 3. Very consistent YouTube viewer. Very poggers. I was thinking maybe work on settings menu today because that seems least frustrating, and we kind of need it for audio. Yeah, and also maybe spectator mode. I think spectator mode will be useful for debugging because, like, if I need to pretend to be a client and then look at what the other Fimshes look like in terms of like updates and stuff, spectator mode is not only going to be a nicety, but it's going to be useful for debugging. Yeah. No. Yeah, I have no idea, honestly. It's like, maybe not. Well, let's get a settings menu done. Do I just put a cog in the top right corner, or do I make it a button in the middle? I mean, I guess we could make it a top right corner cog. I mean, why the heck not? I don't think I have a cog image, though. Does anyone have a cog image? Wait, surely the UI pack that, Godot, that, Kenny has, surely that has a cog. It might not, though. Imagine. It does not. It has circle. Circle isn't a settings thing. No. They do have check marks, though. And circles. And a star. What the? A star is pretty cool. Oh man, if only I knew how to do art. Then I could make a settings button, a little cog. Little cog. Wait. If I search the current folder, and then we filter by images only, can I just scroll through all images? Yeah, I can. Oh, nice. There's googly eyes. Yeah, I had an idea. Will this let me? No, it won't. Thank you for watering me, Sarah. And the rainbow Fimsh. And feeding the Fimsh wholly. Sorry, I had an idea. I'm just I'll make it looking through the rest of the images. Yeah, I don't think I have a cog image here, unfortunately. What does OL mean? OL, is it like lower resolution? OL. Oh, the outline. Oh, I got there. I got there. There's a star. A star doesn't really indicate settings, does it? I mean, I guess I could just do a button again. The settings button. Oh, I have a lot of colors. Oh wait, I think what I do is I grab this. Yeah, and we go copy. Godot, Fimsh assets, paste. Wait, does this work? If I go into grab this, I am sharing the right screen, am I? Yeah. And we go to Fimsh. Yo, I love the elastic goods. Like, I wasn't sure about it and I was kind of avoiding it for a while, but I've done it for 2 days now and yo, it's kinda fun. I'm like, yo, give me more. I like it. I like it a lot. What am I looking for? Food. Yo, why is this here? It should not be here. Yes. Oh, right. Oh wait, it's not in menu, it'll be in game. Then we go food scene. Yeah. So what if I come over to this sprite and then I do this? Oh, save. If I click play now, what happens? Oh, they are a bit small. Stop. What if I make this 2 times size? That's not quite right. Okay. I think this is alright for now. Let me get rid of the number. In here we go. Yeah, no draw function, please. Save. Play. I mean, it's alright. What I want to do is, what if we make it do like a little spin back and forth, you know? Just like a little visual, like, just so that like it's not just still. What would that look like? We would need to do, well, all we would need to do is we just go bar time passed, I guess. It's just a float. And when it's ready, we go time passed equals 0. Yeah, that's fine. And then that's the physics process, but we don't care about that. We go func process delta float. This returns a void. And we go time passed plus equal delta. Oh wait, I already have it. Okay, hang on. At least I spelled it correctly, and it was gonna work. So, wait, is it insert on or off? It's off. Nice. Okay, and then we go rotation is equal to sine of time passed. Is that how it works? Do we need to not do it? Well, that's 0 to 1. So we need to multiply this by pi. Do you have pi? I mean, I wish there was an easy way to capture this. Oh, it does work. Okay, so okay. When they spawn, okay, time pass needs to be different for every food, and so I will go randf by 100, I guess. Yeah, you know what? That'll do. That'll do. Meow 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 meow. That'll do. Okay, stop. Sorry, I'm gonna look through the rest of the images I have currently. Search, filter, images. Because, like, what else did we want? Oh yeah, we're looking for settings menu stuff. I had a funny idea just now. Oh, I could use that. Because, like, what if you had a toggle setting or a Fimsh and you use that as the slider in the settings menu? I mean, like, eh. I don't know what to use as a settings button. I don't think I have something to use as a settings button. Tree, mushroom bush. I mean, we could use a key for now. See how that goes. Wow. Well, what else would I use as a settings button? I mean, I could just literally just use a button, but I think having a cog or something would be nice. Let me go source one. Let me go source one real quick. Yeah. We come here and we go. I just spelled cog wrong just now. That was almost an unfortunate search. This one. Sorry, I'm looking at what is this? 1 bit? Wait, oh, this is for controller. Oh. Ooh, that's cool. Sorry, I'm looking through art now. Just off stream. None of this, nope. This is not good. It might be good later, but not right now. No. Oh, does this have what I want? Mm, 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 mm. This does not have what I want. Not at all. Goddamn. What about this one? No. This one I already have. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, there's a lot of icons right now. One bit inputs. No. Not at all. No. Oh. And this is inputs. I don't care about inputs. That's cute. No again. Mm, mm, mm. Maybe. Okay. How is that not? Yeah, what the? Oh, yeah, him. Yeah, I found one. I found one. This goes into Godot. That one, save. Hello, Asriel. Welcome. We copy, and then we move this into assets. They go into here. Wait, now we go to the menu. And then I grab a new like I guess a new aspect ratio container. And then we'll put this to be anchored to the top right. And then I add a texture button. And then I give it a texture. Oh, here. Gear. Oh. Is that too big? Maybe it's too big. Let me try the smaller version. Is that too small? That's fine. Okay. We need some padding though. If I add control before, and we give it a minimum size, it's not doing anything. What if I move it after? Nothing. Oh, right. I need to go. How do I do this? Wait. What if I give it a center container, right? Instead of yeah, and then put texture button inside this, but this center container. Oh, yo, what the? That's not what I want. Minimum size. I just make X like 1,000 this thing. Oh yeah, this will work. 200. 100. And then the Y is 100 as well. Does that look right? Or is this too far off? It's all right. Maybe let's try 80. I think it's all right. It's not the best looking icon, I don't think. Does that matter though? I don't know if it matters. Filter, images. Yeah, I don't think it matters. Wait, we need a clickable, or like to do stuff when clicked. So if I add the script that we have for our buttons, so over, no, it's not in overlay. It's under menu. Maybe it's audio effect. No, sound on press. If I add this to it, very click play. Credits doesn't do anything right now. Does it not? That is what I use for the other buttons, right? Yeah, sound on press is right. Correct. Okay, so what's stopping it from well, I need to not have this control node here. Okay. Control save. Oh yeah, it does work. Nice. We need it to go somewhere when pressed. So wait, how do we do that? Oh right, so we have to okay. Right. So I think part of this, yeah, we need to yeah. So we need two buttons here. We need to go at export, credits button, base button, then at export settings button, base button, save, and then yeah, this needs to do stuff. Alright, so here, so this will be rename settings button. Well, actually, I'll rename button container. Then I'll rename this to settings center. Yeah, and then this one is the settings button. Settings button, save. And then menu, this goes under settings button. Nice. And then credits button. And this is the credits button. So if we come up here and we hook that up, nice. So we can do stuff when the credits button's pressed. Yeah, because basically, I guess what we need is, well, we want the background to change. Okay, I think I have a new control node, and this will be rename menu. Because we just need to hide and show different scenes in this one scene, and we want to keep that texture rectangle. So this goes inside menu. This also goes inside menu. Oh, what is going on? No. Layouts. Anchor. Full rect. What? No. It says it's full rect as well. What? I don't understand why did you what why are you still there? No, stop. Yo, what happened to it? Hey, why is it off center? When did it get off center? Yo, why is it off center? What the? Rename node, rename node, rename node. Set settings button, set credits, toggle visible. Wait, is it actually not centered? It was actually not centered. Why did you do this? Center wide? Yeah, okay. Okay, now if I added a control node where we name it menu, save, and I just stick it here, and then we go layout, anchor, full rector to begin with, and then I put this on the menu. Yeah, okay. An error label goes there. Yeah. The settings go there. This also goes there. Because then, yeah, then that just removes all of that. Nice. And then we go new control node. This will be the settings. Rename settings. For the settings, I think we need a panel. I think a panel would be good. Yeah, and then we also need to control when these are visible and not visible, but I'll do that in a sec. The settings, layout, anchor, full rect, save. Add child node, panel container. Anchor, center with a bigger size than this. I don't know. Well, yeah. Okay. Agile node, let's go label. This will be like the title, so we go settings. And then we want the line. There's a separator. Is it a separator? Separator. Yeah, there. Horizontal separator. Followed by I don't know, some options, I guess. So does that mean I think this means this needs to be a H box? No. A V box. Yeah, V box. Layouts. I guess inherited is fine. And then we go label, separator. Oh, yeah, nice. And then add another child. This will be like, well, yeah, we need a H box now. H box. Or is there a grid? Maybe a grid is better here. No. H box will be just fine. We do need a control node here. I know that we have a label as well. Label for this here. And we need like let's just put a button there for now. Do we need a button? I think we kind of need a slider. We have a slider. Ah, yeah, we do. Okay, nice. What I do know is the control one. Container sizing. Expand. Yeah, that's what we need. Label would be like setting 1. And then the slider has to have a minimum size. Oh, you can change the icons. You're nice. Can I container sizing? Expand. Fill. I mean, fill is fine. Wait, where's my panel container? I think this just changes with this size. Right? Panel accessibility. Oh, custom minimum size. Yeah, so if I go like 280 and then 560. Oh, no, that's too much. 480? No, it's still too much. 250. If I just make it a square, right? For now. This control node is out of touch because the slider is broken. Wait, if I just click play right now. Yeah, okay, stop. Why are you so small? Is it because your tick count is like 0? If I make you like 100 tick count. Okay, that did not make it bigger. No, scrollable, editable. Text position, min size, value, step value. EXP edit. Rounded. Allow greater, allow lesser. Yeah, if I fill it like that. I mean, it's fine. Okay, maybe I don't need the control node. Well, I need one after it, I think. Control node. Layout, container sizing. Yeah, why does it? It does so much. So we just go minimum size of the X is like this. Well, let's make it like 10. And then this one can also be like 10, I guess. Play? Yeah, that's fine. This should be centered. It is not centered. Yeah. And then this whole panel thing needs like a border. Theme override style. Panel. Mm, 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 mm. Graph element, folder container, flow container. Graph some around borders is pretty cool. Wait. If I go center container and we do this. Yeah, but then then what? Then well, like this won't expand with it, will it? 400? Oh. 500. Fill up and down. What? What? It's kind of better. Wait. What if we don't do this? I mean, that's just bad. Wow, is that bad though? You have to make this 200. That 200. Well, we still have the problem of like... No. Menu bar. Tab bar. Container, box container, blue container, center container, graph, grid container, split container, panel container. No. Surely there's like size, position, rotation, scale, focus, mouse input, theme, type variation, styles. Oh, for this, and then gray with some transparency, right? Border width. Oh. Wait, why does that do stuff to the background color? Border? Oh, the border has a color. Expand the margins. Oh yeah, look at that. Ten. I mean, it's alright. This separator, can we make it thick? It doesn't have options. Never mind. Wait, what if I just duplicate it? Save? What does that look like in game? Just looks like that. Wait. Setting 1. Yeah, this slider, we need a minimum size on this. Hello, Frab. Hello. How you doing? Is there like 50? Nah, that looks silly. 80. 100? Oh, I think that's alright, actually. It's fine. We gotta rename. This is just the first slider. So if we had a few, if we just duplicate again. Yeah, it's alright. It's not the best kind of setting screen, but it's alright. Cause like it would be just this. Nice. You're doing good? Nice. Happy the Alan Fimchies? Good. The Fimchies are going good. Like like surprisingly the game is coming along. Like this to do is like all we have left to do. There's a bunch, but it's like all cleanup stuff. Making it good, like a settings menu. Otherwise, that tutorial, like because I was using WebSockets, it's actually so much easier than the eNet thing. like I got to simplify like I don't know, so much of it, which was nice. But yeah, like I can show you. If you were here like it was probably like 5 days ago. I did do a live test of the game, which was pretty cool. Because yeah, if I head over here and we press play, and I just launch the server, and then yeah, like the server will be able to see some of the field, but yeah, we got a Fimsh. Ignore the line, that's a debug line. They eat food to get longer. Yeah, like there's random names too. I don't know what to do with the background though, because at the moment it's just this blue thing, and yeah, I don't know. Look there, the server can see the other Fimsh. It's this one specifically. Yeah, we got a leaderboard too. Well, of course. I don't know, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm struggling because it's the part where I'm like, yo, I really don't want to work on this anymore. But it's the part where I skip, and then I don't have a finished game because I skipped all the finishing parts. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, we are on the menu. Nice. We need a back button. We need a button. Horizontal. Yeah. So here we go. Probably just a texture button like before. Do we use the blue one? Probably use the blue one. So we do this, and then assets. Where's our textures? Oh, depth. Oh man, it's so big though. It looks out of place. I can give it a. Do we use a label for the text? I don't remember. The ton. Central line. How do I make this? Layouts, anchors, full rect. Yeah, and then we go center. Why is it misaligned? What is this extra shit? What the? Why is there extra space on your button? Oh, because the one above. Okay. That means I do need a horizontal, a new H box. To put this in it, so I can have a control node. You think on the left side. Wait, did that just fix it? Oh, I did. That just fixes it. Okay. I thought I was gonna have to tell it to expand or whatever, but it fixes it. Nice. But before this, we want a another one of these. For whatever reason, duplicate. We slap this right there. I think the button needs to be smaller, but otherwise it's alright, I guess. I suppose. Yeah, it's alright. Like it's not the best, but it'll do. I also don't know what settings there are. There's at least global volume. That's all I know we have. So I guess we'll do this one. This one will go rename. Master volume question mark. Label. Oh no, oh shit. No, they're not aligned. Cause like, wait. This just needs to become an expand. But last time I did this, it like fucks it. Oh, it works now. Okay, it works now. Okay. Yeah, now they're aligned. Oh. This slider thing should probably just be seen, and then we just set what you're setting. Although I don't know how we translate the slider to a variable just yet. Thank you for the head pat, Sarah. Yo, I missed it. Yo, what? There's a black and white Fimsh. Black and white Fimshy. Right, this needs to be like ideally we have two ways of editing this, either a slider or like you input a number. This, so 0 to 10 enough. Step is 1. What is page? Value. Value is, well, we need to link this to an actual value. I think it's 5 to start with. EXP on it. If true, the min value is greater than 0 value will be represented exponentially rather than linearly. I don't think that matters. Rounded, sure. Hello, Elton, welcome in. Yeah, thank you for ordering me, Sarah. I missed that. Is that all the settings we have? Oh no, there's more here. Nice. Top. What is this ticks position? Tick count? Oh. Oh, we go 10, right? Let's save. Play. The ticks are in the wrong place. Is it not 10? Is it 9? That doesn't make sense. No, it's not 9. Yeah, these ticks are fucked. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, but we don't have 7 notches. I think this is not worth playing around with because it's not working. Wait, unless we need 11. No. Okay, no notches. Notches don't make. Oh, there's center. Yeah, what does that mean? Does that fix it? No. Okay, no notches. Editable. What does this mean? Oh, if it can be interacted with, that's fine. Yeah, we need another box after, I think. It's like something in it, a line in it. Coded it, what the? Not as a child. Here? Yeah. Let's go like 5. Placeholder text. There's no placeholder. Yeah, center align. Max length is 1. Editable, yes. Expand to text length. Context menu enabled, emoji enabled, backspace these guys, clear button enabled, shortcut keys enabled, middle mouse paste, no, selecting, no, deselect lost focus, yeah, no, flat, no, draw control character, select all and focus, virtual keyboard. I don't know what that means. Carrot? No. Secret? No. Type? Oh, yo, type is number. Number is what we want. Okay, I need to make it smaller, but how does that look in game? Oh wait, I need it to be like up to 2 numbers. Okay. 2. Because like it can go up to 10. Well, changing minimum size is not gonna work because it's too big already. Horizontal shrink to center. That did not do what I wanted it to do. This positions it. Vertical. Can I make it smaller, please? Carrot? Carrot. Carrot indeed. Column. Native virtual keyboard is shown on focus on platforms that support it. Well, that's for the keyboard. That doesn't make it. Frustrating. Yeah, I forgot my going live notice yesterday. Keep editing on text submit. Why does it have to be so fat? Is there a different one? Can I go number? Yeah, there's no number one. The fuck is a spin box? Spin box is. Ooh, wait. Oh, that's what I want. Delete. Editable, yes. Alignment center. Update on text change, sure. Prefix. Oh, suffix. Custom arrow step. And we go 1. Custom arrow round. If true, the value we rendered to a multiple of arrow step. Yep. Set on focus. Well, select, yeah. Yeah. Top value will be 10. Step value is 1. Page is 0. Value is 5. Rounded. It's still big though. Maybe it's fine. Maybe it's fine. What if I swap them? It's kind of worse, no? These end up longer. I mean, these, that's other sliders will be the same. It's so big though. Yeah. I don't know. One. Custom arrow step. What is that like a game though? Oh yeah, I'll need to hook them both up too. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I don't know how I set this to a variable though. That's okay. We'll create a script. Master volume. Yeah. Yeah, and then in here we'll have at export. Slider bar slider is of slider type, and then at export bar box number box is of spin box. Think over the head bang. Tinkle tinkle. Interesting. Number box. Slider. Was there anything else? I think those were the two main ones. Slider, spin box, and then the variable that we want it to be mimicking. So we go. I think it's the global config. Yeah, master volume. So slider dot value is equal to this, and then number box dot value is also equal to that. Then here we need to add some, connect some things up. What are we connecting? Slider dot drag ended. Changed, right? Connect. Value changed. Is this a specific? Right, it went min value, max value. Oh no, not changed. Drag started, dragged ended. Value changed. Yeah, connect. Value changed. What does this have? It takes in a float, so we go valid font. Value changed. Value float. Void pass. Is the other one the same? Number box dot value change dot connects. Value changed. Yeah, it's also a value float. Slider dot value is equal to value. Number box of value is equal to value. And is that it? Oh, right. Global config dot master volume is equal to value. Okay. Now if I click play, it does work. Very nice. Let me just make sure we're not triggering this a billion times. Because it could infinite loop if this triggers the same value changed again and again, which would be bad. No, okay, nice. I think it does trigger twice, but that's about it. That's okay. Um. Hmm. I don't even know. Oh. Oh, wait. Because if we were to make this a scene, what we would do is we go signal, yeah, value changed again. Yeah, so this is probably update value, copy, paste. And here, when you go value change the emit, and then pass in value. And then this is now called update this, and this is value float. Save. We'll get rid of this. We need the type, so export the name, the setting name. So the the setting name, which is a string. Which is a variable of string. We need setting minimum, export bar setting max, which is also a string, and step. Do we need step? Yeah, at export bar step, which is a float. I guess it's float. These are not strings, by the way. So, I don't know why I said they were. They're floats. And then, well, yeah. So we'll just default to this. Max with 10. Setting, yeah. And then on ready we go slider dot min value is equal to setting min. This should be settings. Nah, setting min and max, that's fine. Slider dot max value is equal to setting max. Slider dot tick min value exp value. Ratio bounded page. Step is equal to step. Oh wait, how do we? Ah, Calendra, hello. Look, it's Gagamplify Fimsh. Oh my, why are they so eager today these days? They used to spawn they used to take their time coming on the screen, but they've been very hungry the last hot while. Thank you. I much appreciate it. How do we set the initial value? Because we kind of need to do this via code, I think. Because we can't just have a signal that it listens for. That doesn't work. Well, I guess we just have because if we needed loads a setting up that's already been set, how do we give that to this? Because the signal goes out, but we need one to come in that's enough. I think we just go value float, and then here we go slider dot value is equal to value. Yeah, and then here we go value. Well, internal. Let's call this internal value, just so it's I don't know. Just in case. Yeah, and then we need to do stuff for the box number. Box dot min value is equal to setting min. Number box dot max value is equal to setting max. Slider dot step is equal to step, and then slider dot value is equal to internal value. So by default, I guess we'll just make this 5, since the others we made it 0 and 10 by default. Yeah, we'll just go to setting, save. Yeah, we already have those attached. Very nice. And then yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all we need. Because then we rename this to a slider setting, and then this is renamed to slider label. This is the slider, and then rename number box. Yeah, we go rename. I'll just call this gap 1 and gap 2. Gap 1 and gap 2. And this one will go create save branch as scene. Yeah, this is the slider theme. Save. And now I get rid of slider 1 and slider 2. I can just delete those. Yep. And then the slider scene. Yeah, this is gonna be like master volume. Well, okay, hang on. Where is the slider scene? Slider. This label is setting. Name. Yeah, if I go setting name and we come back to the menu. The menu. Yeah. Yeah, we go master volume 0, 10, step of 1, that's fine. We'll need a script here to set it, I think. Yeah. Or do I just put it on here? Well, I could just put the script here, yeah. Add script. Touch script. Settings. Yeah, so then here we go. At export. Well, yeah, okay. So we'll go, this is this, right? Settings? No, this one. Yeah, this one is class name slider. We already have, it's already settings slider, and come back to the menu. Here at export var master volume is a settings slider, and yeah, because then we have this and we can just assign it there, and then we go master volume dot internal value is equal to global config dot master volume, and then also go master volume dot value changed dot connects, and then we go master volume updated func master value updated value wait. Then here we go global config dot master volume is equal to value. Save. If it doesn't like this, Oh, did I spell it wrong? Volume, updated volume. Updated, yeah. Yeah. And then I just do this for each one. Nice. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Now if I click play, did it actually work? Oh, the setting name did not update. Slider, yeah. Alright, we need the label. Yep. At export bar slider name is a label, I think. Oh, it didn't work. Huh? Remember name. Okay, slider name. Yeah, now I can just slap, not that, slap this on there. Then here we can go slider named text is equal to setting name. Yeah. And if we go back to menu, master volume, yep, play. Oh, it does work. Oh, nice. Return. Okay, one thing we're noticing is the button is not centered. Oh, instead of hbox container, we go center container. We bring this up, and then we bring texture into it, and then we get rid of this. Yeah, there we go. Nice. What else? I think that's all we have. I think that's all we have. Just the master volume right now. Yeah. Okay, we need return and to do something and the button menu to do something. Yes, so that means this main menu. We do have those, yeah, settings button, credits button, and return button. Export bar, return button, base button, save. Where is that? That is here. This one. Rename. Return button. Rename return table. Rename center return button. Yeah, and come back to main menu. We can put return button on return button, save. Oh wait, so I guess we need at export the menu is a control node. Export var settings is also a control node. And we go menu, settings. Okay, then on ready, we go menu.visible is equal to true, and settings.visible is equal to false, just so it's always setting up correctly. And then yeah, we need to do this. Settings button dot press dot connect, settings rest, and then we go return button dot rest dot connect, return rest, save. Okay, here func settings rest. Yep. And then func return rest. This is as simple as making them visible or not visible. We go settings visible is false, menu dot visible equals true, and then the opposite is true in settings pressed. So false. True. Is that all I need? Are we done? Oh yeah. Oh man, that's pretty easy. Alright, I need to do settings as well, but you know, it is what it is. Oops, I did not mean to open my website. Good to know it still works. Oh, nice. Rabbit streaming. Settings. Yeah, master volume. Nice. Wait, if I close the game and we open it again, and then I go settings, it's at 1. If I go to global config, that's config. I want global config. Master volume is 0.5. Oh, it's not getting set correctly. Wait, why not? Oh, this is on ready. That's not right. Because well, even the internal values. Oh, it's 0 to 1. Oh, okay, where's the menu? Settings menu, this one. Multiply by 0, 1, I think. Because currently this is 0 to 10, but master volume. Okay, we multiply this by 10. Okay. Play. Settings. Wait, it's still 1? What the? Oh, maybe we just add a function. Set internal value float. Well, I can just call update value, right? Here. The update value. Save. Play. Yeah, it worked. Very nice. All right. That's our one setting we have currently. I don't know if we need any more. For now, that'll do. Yeah. Oh, yeah, nice. We do need to make a credit scene, but I don't think so. Maybe settings menu done. Bugs. Thank you for the headband again. Yeah. Let's go. Spectator mode. Oh yeah, that was the other one I wanted before we have another playtest, because this will be very useful. You think about watering me? Do I have water left? Why I do not? Oh no. I have... Well, I'm all watered out. That's not good. Waterlessness. What is... Okay, so essentially... Because like... No, it's not. It's part of this. It's part of this. This is where. I don't know how to do spectator mode. I don't know if I have it in me. I think I might be done. I'm sorry for the many short streams, but I don't know. I've been kind of cooked on this lately, and I think that's okay because we do make progress every single time. But like, I don't know. We are so close to finishing. It's silly. It's silly. Oh. Wait, was I wrong? Am I wrong? Oh no, everyone's streaming today. My god. What is today? It's a Friday. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, why is everyone streaming today though? Like, what the? Wait, I know where we're going. This is networking, and it's Godot. That's what we're doing currently, right? So it's like completely on point. Oh, completely on point. Yeah, yeah. I think tomorrow we'll do spectator mode, and then I guess I'll have to do the algorithms, and then after the algorithms, I think I'm good to go. I think we're good to like what's it called? Good for another playtest, because then we'll have proper sizing, and the stuff left is like well, spectator mode will help debugging. The stuff left is like very minor, I think. I mean, yeah, there's some bugs. I mean, yeah, that's kind of what we're gonna look into. Yeah, visuals. I think it's mostly visuals left. After we fix the sizing thing and the tails and spectator mode, it's just bugs and visuals. Because like the arrow is a visual, fake food on the client's a visual, but it's a different kind of visual. Size expanding, I don't know if we'll do that. This might be out of scope. Yeah. Wait, we know that we're gonna get raid Feb. They're very cool. Definitely go follow them. 100% would recommend. They are heckin' amazing. Yeah. Okay. I'll see everyone tomorrow. I'm gonna start trying to make streams the same time, I think, from now on. Like 1400 at GMT +1, I think, is when I'm gonna try to make my streams. And then it'll go from like 2 to like 5 if I do a 3-hour stream, which seems to be my most consistent duration. I think I'll do this, and we'll see how it goes. Whether or not I actually go live tomorrow at the right time, I guess we'll find out. Thank you for one last head pat. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try it out, because usually I'm awake, and I don't know. It'd be nice to not do streaming at night, I think. Although, well, it gives us an option to go more than 3 hours without it being 1 a.m. I think that's the main thing. I think that's the main thing we avoid with this. Anyway, go enjoy your Feb stream. Bye bye.